Hello there, garden lovers, and welcome back to Urban Backyard Container Gardening. Today, we're diving into the world of broccoli, specifically when to harvest it here in Zone 9A, North Florida. All right, let's talk timing. In Zone 9A, broccoli is typically ready to be harvested about 60 to 100 days. Look at the firm, tight head of broccoli here. The buds should be dark green, or in this case, dark purple, and compact. If you see any yellow flowers, it's a bit too late. So when you get ready to cut your broccoli, you want to have some shears, pruning shears like this, or you want to have a nice sharp knife rather. Forgive me, I'm just getting over a cold. And you want to cut about 5 inches, 4 to 5 inches below the head of the broccoli on a 45-degree angle. This will help to prevent disease and also help to promote side shoots growing on the broccoli. So you may be able to get not as big as the head that you're cutting, but you may be able to get smaller shoots to grow. So you want to grab the head of the broccoli and cut on a 45-degree angle, 4 to 5 inches. And this is what you will get. And cut this off, cut this off, and cut this off. And I'll come closer to the camera. You'll see right here, we have a side shoot that was starting to grow. So we're gonna go and harvest the ones that are ready here. And then we will go back to our cauliflower because I think the cold damaged them, and it may be time to harvest the rest of them also. So as you can see, the recent cold snap that we have has really zapped the leaves of the cauliflower here. And previous video, we harvested 3 of them. I think I'm going to go ahead and harvest the rest of them now so that they don't get damaged or anything like that. So here's today's harvest. We got 4 heads of broccoli, 3 green and 1 purple. And we also got the remaining cauliflower. There's 1 left. It's very small. Not sure if it will get much bigger. It is completely unwrapped. And with it being exposed to the sun, it will start to turn colors. But I'm going to leave it and see if it continues to grow. If not, I'll just come out and harvest it. But overall, very nice harvest. I'm happy with what we got. Now, these are more green broccoli that I have. They are in the very early stages of forming heads of broccoli. So probably in about a month or so, we'll be harvesting from here. We also have more purple heads of broccoli that are planted over in container row. So these are the purple broccoli that I spoke of. They're starting to form heads also, so we'll be harvesting from them in the near future, and I may videotape it, may not, but either way, we have more to come. So there you have it. Simple way to harvest broccoli here in Zone 9A, Florida. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you got something out of it. Leave me a comment. As you can see, we did good. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of food and veggies by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.